LP 4.1 Assignment, Controlling Presentation. Function of controlling an organization's theories and a contemporary control tool systems. My name is Ana Maria Garcia Betancur. Overview. Introduction. The purpose function of controlling in organizations. Organizational structure theories. The classical organization theory. Neoclassical organization theory. Contingency theory. Systems theory. Contemporary control tool systems. How financial and budgetary controls are used in the tool described above. Introduction. The purpose of an organizational structure is to establish a system of rules that members of an organization must develop to work together optimally and to achieve the goals set in planning. The purpose function of controlling in organizations. The control function of management is a critical determinant of organizational success, which is why it needs to focus on results. I already understand that theories about organizational structure can help with organizational success plans. It is important to be clear that these theories may influence how an organization allocates resources. Organizational structure theories. Organizational theory describes how an organization interacts with its environment. Early theories were overly bureaucratic and have given way to organizational theories that apply to the multitude of dynamic situations. These include the classical organization theory, the neoclassical organization theory, contingency theory, systems theory, other theories. The classical theory. This theory is the one that deals with the formal organization and to increase and to make more efficient the management in the organization. Neoclassical theory. The neoclassical theory is the extended version of the classical theory, wherein the behavioral gets included in the management. Basically, this theory seeks that employees accept the administrative authority and have an improvement in productivity. Contingency theory. This theory has its specialty, the conflict. For this element, according to the theory of contingency, is something that can be controlled and managed, but it's important to adapt to the changes and the different environments that arise, allowing, thus, a correct execution of the tasks and guaranteeing a success of the management and the organization. Systems theory. Basically, this theory explains that although systems do not always act linearly, and that changes in organizational environments can cause difficulties, this can bring improvements and give way to new, much more productive, successful, and efficient transformations. Contemporary control tool systems. At present, there are several tools that, depending on characteristics of the activity, the organizational structure, and the means available to the organization, may be preferred to a greater or lesser extent to control the company's activities. Some of them are the OVAR method, the scorecard or balanced scorecard, open book management, total quality management. The OVAR method. This method concentrates basically on productive activities that generate profits. The scorecard or balanced scorecard. This method of obtaining and classifying information generated by management control systems. Open book management. Total quality management. It is basically an approach where all the members of the organization participate in process, service, environment, and productivity improvements. How financial and budgetary controls are used in the tool described above. These mechanisms basically help to avoid or correct errors in resource allocation, such as financial analysis, budgeting, and cost-based activity calculations as the main cost-generating agent. There are two types of tools that keep companies in control. Tools to know the economic state and are called informative. These help to see the financial situation and the decision-making in situations of uncertainty. Tools to know the degree of compliance of business policies and are called corrective. These tools are used to detect differences with respect to the budget used and to help verify the accuracy of accounting figures. In this slide, you can see my conclusions. On the next 2 slides, you can see my bibliography and my references. Thank you very much for listening.